Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your redeem code on the Brawl Stars game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the Brawl Stars game on your device, and once it is fully loaded, you will be taken into the main menu. From this page, tap on the shop option at the left side, and this will take you into the shop page, from which you can make various different purchases. From this page, tap on resources at the bottom right corner and then scroll to the right, and you will see content creator boost option. Within this option, you will see the enter code. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be allowed to enter your redeem code within this box. Just type in your redeem code and tap on the enter button, and your code will be redeemed and your reward will be provided to you right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your code on Brawl Stars. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.